Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video, I want to talk about what divergence is. Now, divergence is kind of a little sneaky chart pattern because you're going to need certain indicators to recognize this chart pattern. So the indicator I'll be using for this example is the RSI, and I recommend that people use this indicator too to easily find divergence, as I find it very helpful for me, in my opinion. However, let me get into what divergence is. Keep in mind that the stock I'm looking at is Moderna on a 2-hour chart. So each candlestick that you see represents what the price of this stock did in just 2 hours. Now, with that being said, divergence is when we see a stock move one direction, but then we see an indicator like the RSI move the opposite direction. So the way you would go about trading divergence is going along with the indicators, right? So even though the stock is going up, my relative strength index is telling me that, hey, this is going down. So ultimately, divergence is kind of like a reversal signal, right? So even though the stock is going up, it's likely to start coming back down soon. So if you take a look to the right, it went up higher, but then over time started dying back down. Now look at the RSI. It's nearly oversold. So that's really the concept of what divergences are and how you would go about trading a divergence to your advantage.